Welcome back to my food channel, where I show you how to make very simple, delicious dishes that anybody could do. So, let's get started. These are your basic ingredients you're going to need in making a delicious tartar sauce. Yellow mustard, half a lemon, sweet relish, and mayonnaise. I'm going to put these ingredients together and make a delicious tartar sauce. So let's get started. First thing we're going to put is 3 tablespoons of delicious mayonnaise. I use Hellmann's because Hellmann's is a real good brand. And then you're just gonna mix it, add mustard to your taste. And 2 big tablespoons of sweet relish. Just mix it. Half a lemon. You don't need to add salt or nothing else because the mustard, the mayonnaise, and the sweet relish comes together beautifully. Don't that look good? And here you got it, the delicious tartar sauce, a very simple recipe. When you try it, you'll know it's very delicious. Thank you for watching. And now I'm just gonna add some tartar sauce that I just made on the fish fillet. I like to add a lot of tartar sauce on my fish fillet. And that's it. Here you got it. Delicious fish sandwich with my tartar sauce that I just put together. Thank you for watching. And action. and action. We hope you enjoyed my that anybody can do. Until next time. I hope you enjoyed my recipe. Thank you for watching and subscribing. And until next time.